Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am sharing with you how to walk like a male model. Okay guys, Allie here with NGM Modeling. Let's jump right in here. So one of the things that male models tend to do is to walk a little bit quickly. So I encourage you to walk at a little bit slower pace. You don't want to be out there for forever, but you also want to make sure that you're out there. Think about walking slow enough so that everyone can see what you're wearing. You're showcasing designer's work, and you want to make sure that your time out there is used wisely so that the work can be seen by everyone that's out there on the runway. The next thing is to practice your half turns so that you can stop it gracefully at various points on the runway to show off the clothes and to show them what you. So you're out there at a slower pace, but you're also taking the time to do half turns so that the audience can get a good look from different angles at what you're wearing. The next thing is working on fluid movements, and also this is a good time to showcase what you're wearing. So if you're wearing a jacket, nice fluid movements, so not quick, in, out, moving the jacket and, scarf or whatever quickly. These are nice, fluid, very concentrated movements when you're showing off your accessories. Next is to practice different facial expressions. So you don't want to have the same kind of solid look the whole time in a regular fashion show. Obviously, this may change depending on the type of show that you're doing. If you're doing a high fashion show, that's a completely different look. But if you're doing a fashion show, make sure that you get an understanding of what type of facial expressions they want you to do, and change those up a little bit so that you can also change up the pictures that the designer and that you will be getting at the end of the show. And then the last thing is to walk slow, really show off the clothes, and give various angles. When you get to the end of the runway and you're doing your poses, you want to make sure that you are doing lots of different angles and several different poses, and you are showing off the clothes. Remember, this is not about you. This is about what you're wearing and the work of the designer, and this is why you've been invited to this show. Hopefully these tips will help you out to be better on the runway for my male models. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave me a comment down below, guys.